Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. We're taking a quick look at mtb.com today. Mountain Bike Action Magazine, often referred to as MBA, has been a cornerstone of the mountain biking community for decades. Their website, mtb.com, serves as a digital hub for all things mountain biking, from product reviews and news to trail guides and race coverage. It's a valuable resource for both seasoned riders and those just starting out in the sport. You'll find a wealth of information covering various disciplines within mountain biking, including cross-country, downhill, enduro, and trail riding. mtb.com features articles on the latest bike technology, gear reviews covering everything from helmets and shoes to suspension forks and drivetrains, and in-depth comparisons of different bike models. They also provide helpful advice on bike maintenance and repair, allowing you to keep your ride in top condition. Beyond gear and tech, mtb.com delves into the culture of mountain biking, featuring stories about riders, trails, and events from around the world. You can discover new riding destinations, learn about upcoming races, and stay updated on the competitive scene. The site also offers a buyer's guide to help you navigate the often complex world of mountain bike purchasing. This resource can be invaluable whether you're looking for your first bike or upgrading to a high-performance machine. With detailed specifications and expert opinions, it simplifies the decision-making process. One of the standout features of mtb.com is its extensive collection of videos. From bike reviews and how-to tutorials to captivating trail footage, these videos offer a dynamic and engaging way to experience the world of mountain biking. Overall, mtb.com is a comprehensive online resource for mountain biking enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're seeking the latest news, expert advice, or simply inspiration for your next ride, mtb.com is definitely worth exploring.